This is the Master Maison 19-piece premium kitchen knife set, and it comes with a wooden storage box as well as stainless steel German knives. You receive an 8-inch chef's knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, a 5-inch santoku knife, a 7-inch santoku knife. You also receive this carving knife, this utility knife, a 5-inch bread knife, an 8-inch bread knife, 8 4.5-inch steak knives, a sharpening tool to sharpen your knives, and all-purpose household shears. These knives are stain resistant as well as rust resistant too, and such an affordable price point. Each Master Maison knife is forged from a single high-carbon German stainless steel. The blades are razor sharp and a balanced weight to reduce fatigue while cutting. This would also make a great gift too. Now let's see it in action. Wow, it's cutting so fast. So razor sharp and thin too. I received this from Master Maison for me to evaluate, and I really like it. It has a really nice sleek design and it cuts down on clutter on your countertops. I can see myself using this for many years to come. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.